Hello, welcome to Dr. Nerf Vlog. So, it is officially 8 a.m. So, I am filming this video that I would plan on filming. So, yeah. It's going to be me reviewing the Nerf Elite 2.0 Tetrad Ink Buzz Bumblebee Blaster. Good prime, good pump, comfortable grip, good lengthy stock for this. It's not the longest stock, but I kind of like the length. So, yeah. Let's go over the details of it before I crony it. So, attach rail on top for like if you want to scope it. Put a scope on there. Sling point here under the grip. Sling point under the stock. Pump action. 4-shot smart AR. I just watched a really cool mod of Not Enough Nerf modding his original Tetrad. But yeah, it's got a sight here lined up with this sight. So let's crony it, see what it gets. 68.2 with no modding. 65.8. That was the second barrel. 59.7 and 58.2. So not bad. It's in the high 50s and high 60s. So not bad at all. So now, this thing hits about like 65 FPS on these two barrels. Well, actually about 68 FPS with this barrel, 65 with this, 68 with the first barrel, 65 with the second barrel, 59 with the third barrel, and 58 with the fourth barrel. So yeah, let me go get the darts and let's see how accurate they are. Alright, I am back. Got the darts. So yeah, test the accuracy. Okay. Yeah. It's got some accuracy with the extra insanity darts. It's got some good accuracy, so... Alright, so... Now, how comfortable is this? Comfortable. So, like you're going to a Nerf war with, like, a 4-shot rifle. This is my favorite Tetrad blaster, which is the Transformers one. I got the Nerf Star Wars Mandalorian blaster that has some very good designs on it coming, so that's coming today. Yeah, this is a pretty cool blaster. This is actually my favorite one. I don't really like the original Tetrad. Yeah, I like the colors, but this one just has more power behind it. This is way better. It's better FPS, better accuracy. I don't use the darts that came with it. I collect those darts. I use the extra insanity darts for this. I use them for all my blasters. Those are the best darts ever. Those are the best darts ever made. So, yes, I'm wearing my PJs because they're comfortable and I want to film in my PJs. I woke up at 7:30 a.m. But yeah, this blaster is awesome. It's comfortable. It's got a good comfortable grip right here. Comfortable pump grip right here. Comfortable stock. This is an amazing blaster. Now, what would I rate this? I would rate this a 10 out of 10. Because that's how good this blaster is and how cool it is. It gets better FPS than the original Tetrad. So, Nerf might have added more power to this one because it's Transformers. But yeah, this is a good blaster. It's fun, easy to operate. If there's any Tetrad that I recommend, it's this one. I don't recommend the blue and orange because that doesn't get good power. This one gets good power. It's an awesome blaster. So definitely check this out. It's on Walmart, or maybe it's on Target. It's either Walmart or Target. Yeah, good blaster. Fun, simple, easy to use. It's just a Tetrad, but with more power behind it and better design to it. So thank you for watching my Nerf review. Remember to smash the like button, comment, and subscribe. Peace.